Wow.
Good, ready?
Yes.
Hey yo, walk on, so man, shut up car. Hello. Walk on, brother. We're here today. We're gonna steal that car, exhaust pipe, and put it straight onto this little Honda Civic here. So yeah, what are we doing now?
I'm trying to unwrap the axle stands.
Mate, this is gonna be the most dead video. Oh no.
I don't know how to sugarcoat it, man. This is hard to open.
Nice.
Oh, red. Nice. Oh, sound check. Yes. With the little exhaust over here.
Hey, give me a little second, man.
Is it recording right now?
Yeah, it's recording right now.
Man's got a bunda, you know. Okay. Let's do this scientifically.
So that's it warm.
So not much going on down there.
There's a lot of induction, but there's no exhaust. Which is why what we're going to try to do is find out if this is a Hoffman.
The Hoffman mid-pipe.
eBay mid-pipe.
Yeah.
We're going to see how much that transforms the car, but obviously, like in YouTube fashion, we're going to take the exhaust off and then see what it sounds like.
With the stock rear end, the stock back box, we're leaving that there, just changing the centre pipe. I'm not in frame.
And then hopefully, should I skip down your level, mate? Oh, anyway, let's go on to taking it off.
So,
definitely qualified mechanic right here.
oh, unqualified. Is this going to snap in half? I don't know. That is not high enough. That is not high enough at all.
Right, so
I'm going to get some pieces of wood so we can jack it up higher. We've got some gutty pieces of wood.
don't give girl no flowers.
What?
Good wood though.
Making sure it's not going to fly out. Get me.
Hello. What go on?
Hello.
Hello. Basically, after a sit rep, we've actually managed to jack up the car the most awful way possible. I don't know why, but everything's easier on other people's cars. When it comes to this particular Civic, it's just, I don't know. So we jack up the front, and let's see what big man Laxall's doing. Laxall, what do Ross Clark be doing, lad?
We're taking off the heat shield so we can get to the bolts underneath. Because we need to drop the whole exhaust.
Ah.
The whole exhaust needs to come out.
Just to put the pipe in.
Yeah. We need to drop the cat so we can undo the bolts on the cat.
Alright.
Because they're hard to access for theft reasons. These two bolts, you need them. Hold them, I'm giving them.
Oh crap, sorry mate. Oh, these are warm like mad.
Where's this stuff?
So there's only two bolts holding the heat shield in.
I mean on mine. Oh, there's another one on there. Huh? I am confusion. I mean.
Damn, son.
Okay, we ignore that for now. What size is it?
Mate, I can't even get in.
This is like not focused. Oh, there we go.
Basically what we need to do is take this bolt out and never put it back on again.
Yeah. I mean, usually what we'd do is wait for this to rust enough that it just crumbles off and then it's easy. Snap off.
Oh, it's snapping.
Hopefully some repetitive strain.
Learn that in sports education.
Oh yeah.
And twist it. Hit it. Bop it. Back in 2012, when you get those bop-its going out, you know what I mean?
Those were the shit. I never had one.
Oh, I never had one either because it's so crap.
Yeah. It's definitely loose.
Welcome to Saul's Auto Body Repairs, blood.
Why didn't I do this before? I can get my fingers in there pretty tight.
Oh, nice. And yeet into a train, mate. Oh look, speaking of the train.
Yeah, look how rusty this is.
Yeah, that is no good. Oh my god.
There's many rust underneath the car. Specifically on all of the bolts. Especially on the cap. We would need an angle grinder. And I've got other bolts that we could have used.
Where did you get that from?
I prepared these earlier. These bolts were prepared earlier in case of this, but I didn't realise they'd be that hard. So
It looks like you just could take out a pack of like drugs, mate. And it's just 2 bolts in it. It's so random. Should we see what it sounds like without the back box on?
yeah, we'll at least do that. And we're just undone these bolts here. I don't know if it's going to focus there or anything. Yeah, so you see those? I'm just undoing those with my little ratchet. Yeah. If you hold it here, you'll be able to see. Where did you go? Huh? I don't know how to rest this down. I don't want to break your camera.
Yo, look at this. Oh, snapped. Well, Bumble clock, man. You know how long that takes us to just get that bolt off there? There's no way I'm driving back on the motorway with this. Nice. Can't even see it.
It's like a maraca.
Hey, Macarena. Right. So we've got that off.
So yes, indeed, we got this bolt out.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Nice strap. Got this bolt out. The other one of these snapped.
Great.
Nice.
Absolutely great. Oh! Oh! Hit the limiter. Ah! Oh, that stinks. Oh. I bet we're frying some like.
Should we go get angle grinder then? He said that could be arranged today.
Well, basically, guys, we're now using my phone because obviously things ran out of battery. We've got Mr. Q in here, who's kindly donated his EP2, which is down there.
Hello.
Saul was now again dead underneath the car, and I still have no goddamn clue what bomber arse are we doing. But essentially, these bolts that we tried to take off the manifold earlier, they are bolts that we they're welded on, so you take it off from the underside. Look at this sexy man. We've got We Fit Man.
Outwards represent.
Yeah, fine, we got it out. Well done, guys. Well done.
Your car looks like it's had that piece of the exhaust changed before.
Yeah.
Because
well,
the gasket came out and it's really
that gasket's like a new gasket, so.
If you want to shoot,
looks like new.
that's all right. That's not that bad, to be honest.
That's
with
what I
you.
mean.
Yeah, exactly. So usually you need to replace those every time you take them out.
Yeah.
That actually looks okay. So.
Lovely stuff. Right, so basically back here we've got the catalytic converter here, which we don't actually have a catalytic, so don't come under my car to steal it. But if you follow this line here that goes into this plug, which now we need to unplug, which is going to be absolutely horrifying. Right, so Saul's managed to do this, and he's going to turn it on. Go. Oh!
That just sounded like a tractor.
Hasn't it? That is a lawnmower, mate.
I wish more lawnmowers sound like that.
Jesus Christ. This is so. What we need to do now is somehow what?
I literally don't know how to get these ones.
grind
without
through that.
grinding.
Grind through that crap. So Source kindly offered himself to I don't know how he's got earplugs or whatever.
He's taking his own life here.
Yeah, he's gone underneath my car very dodgily, and now he's got a grinder, which Mr. WeFit man, yeah, we're both backing away. Right, so update on this thing. We need to punch these out.
Worst case, we'll cut into it. We'll cut into them at a line like that on each side,
that's one of the good ways to do it.
and it will just split it open slightly.
Yeah.
But if we can do the same thing,
What you do is, yeah, if you cut into it a little bit, you'll still keep that bit, and that bit should pop out easy enough.
yeah.
And then you still get to keep the hole, but it's just a little tiny notch on the edge.
Yeah.
And that's, I mean, most exhausts come like that standard.
Yeah.
I see it all the time.
Especially on motorcycles, to be honest.
Look at big flat. Punch of a cat.
Oh!
See
that? Watch that.
There we go.
my
So that's
God,
the way forward then. Right, let's do the next one.
Bullet.
Yo guys, what is up? So, coming closer. I don't know if you already explained, but we had to cut notches in there to bang out these studs. I highly recommend that. It saves so much time. Before, on my own one, we drilled them out. Took hours. Just grind in a notch like that on each one, tap it out, seconds. You'll be done in seconds. And then obviously put some exhaust paste in there, tighten up the bolts, make sure you've routed it correctly.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Pop.
Skitty pop.
Skitty pop pop.
Boom. We're gonna show YouTube this, right?
We are
Right.
not.
We're gonna show YouTube this. So I went for a wee in a bush, and this is what they've made. Console with. Let's see your masterpiece.
I'm not hiding anything, man.
No, you definitely are.
There's nothing there.
You definitely are.
No. Yeah. There's nothing.
Oh, look, let's see it. Let's see it, mate. Let's see it.
There's-
Mr. Salou, man.
have you actually seen these before? Have you seen like, the stock calipers and that? But he painted them red.
Absolutely amazing. Whoa! What is this?
Half the horsepower from that caliper.
Right.
You don't question it. We'll put it in the car.
This is probably why that petition of stopping modifications actually exists, because of things like this.
Maybe.
Is it a solid?
Yes.
Very. Keep it up, it's welded. Sorry.
Okay. I'm gonna go under the car, but I need someone to
Okay.
hold a light for me because I cannot see.
Look at him. He knows. He knows. Look at his swag and his walk. Go on, lad. Absolutely go on.
See, you got nice new drop links on it.
The drop looks
Oh
You got new drop links on the back.
right.
Yeah. My hand's rolling.
And your spray thing.
Bro, are you gonna save my camera?
Bye. Have a nice day. Oh.
Quality Was it hitting? I can't see. Oh, it's there.
It needs to twist around a bit, doesn't it?
So it goes like that.
Yeah.
Oh God! Look how much it sticks out.
Oh yeah.
JDM.
So this is the most absolute clapped thing. Like look how big the thing
Do you want me to
sticks
get
out.
another light on it? So, wait, how good is the?
Yeah, this little light. That is just what?
That's huge.
That doesn't make any. Is that touching the bumper?
Yeah.
Right. So hopefully it'll melt a hole through the bumper, which is what we want.
Exactly. Hopefully.
But just look how far it sticks out. That's mad. So I mean, these magicians have managed to. This is gonna fail every single emissions test now. Anyway, who wants?
To be fair, it's still got the cat in it, so it should be fun.
Yeah, you say that.
Got a 45-degree angle.
Is it?
Good, ready?
Yeah. Hey.
That sounds good.
That. It's a lot quieter with the back box on.
Oh yeah.
I think it's
Yeah.
a bit of paste in the flange bit where you dampers, but
Definitely.
I've basically ran out of paste, so
Yeah.
a bit.
Oh, glass that's just decided to scrape off,
Ooh.
which is not ideal.
How would that even happen?
That's
Bush.
weird. Bush.
Yeah.
Honey badger's been clawing it.
How do we fix this?
We need to take off the sand.
That's really strange. Oh wait, hold on. That's sanding. Someone's painted this.
Okay.
Yeah, someone's over. Yeah, yeah. Someone's painted this here. Yeah, someone's painted this themselves. And what they've done is they've over sanded and started sanding the window.
How do we fix the window?
Can't really do that unless you really polish it.
No, right, fair enough.
That's a lot of time.
The whole car just needs like I don't know why there's white stuff there.
I have side skirts in the garage, so it took us over 6 hours to do.
You've got what? Type R skirts in the garage.
Well, they're sport ones, but they're Saxon flag bar. It says sport ones. Same as yours.
Should we put the sport ones on?
Not now. I'm not doing that now. We'll leave for another day. They're buried right at the back, so
Another time.
it'll take like an hour to get to them.
Next video.
Next video.
Coming up on the local rallies.
Yo, so I've had a haircut somehow, and you know, looking very. I'm joking. This is absolutely. I look so dead inside. Had the exhaust on for a few days, and oh my god, it is so like obnoxious to what I'm used to. Half the actual. Oh, my lights come off. Oh, Jesus Christ. Part of the bumper's now melting, which is good, which means it's going to make its own hole, but it's not melting as much, which is. And it sticks out like a sore foot. It's literally a wheelbarrow. So to summarise, and how to actually take the exhaust off, or one of these Honda Civics EP2s, EP1s or whatever as well. Again, the best practice, as what Saul did say, is to take off the whole exhaust system itself from the manifold backwards. If you want to do that, as again, just go through the video. So we're going to take off the heat shield first, which has 3 screws, bolts even, whatever they're called. And then after that, to make your life a bit easier, is again, take off the back box. So you've got 2 more bolts, about 15mm. Now once that's done, you're going to go underneath the car to the downpipe and then screw the 2 screws off the downpipe to disassemble that from the car. Next you want to do is unclip both the O2 sensor inside the engine bay and the one on the cat. And then finally, you just get the mid pipe and just take off the hangers, and boom, that's it. Just drag it out and you're done. Now to actually take the cat off the mid pipe, that's not more with work, but to do that, like again, like what Saul and Kieran did, is just get an angle grinder, grind off the bolt heads of the cat and the mid pipe, and then they separated at the end, which is good. They actually get the bolt outside of the cat. What they did is just again grind at a 45-degree angle, 1, 2, 3 slots, and then just get a sunder punch and just hammer it through. If it bends the flange a bit, then you just get a hammer, just bend it back. that's all I can really tell. But again, it's a lot more difficult than the standard, I don't know, 13 plate courses. Like everyone in the nan can do that. But no, again, big shout out to Kieran, a big shout out to Saul, and thank you guys for actually doing this. This thing sounds amazing. But I mean, this kind of looking like a wheelbarrow still, brother. It's like. It looking like a wheelbarrow. Like, look at this. But I mean, this is the finished product, and look, it's actually like a wheelbarrow. It's just sticking out like mad. But you can see the plastic's already melting, but still, it's just so stupid. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna turn it on now because you know it's getting quite late, and plus everyone's at home, and this is loud. So drop a comment down below to see whether if you like this a wheelbarrow looking thing. It looks so out of place, man. Like it just doesn't make any sense. But again, thank you guys for watching. This has been Motor Rally, Saul and Kieran. Big up them, could not have done it without them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another one. Well, pow.